Today we are going to be making apple fritters. These are so simple to make. They're going to be moist. They're going to melt in your mouth. They are perfect for this fall weather coming up.
If you'd like to learn this recipe, stay tuned.
Hi friends, how are you? I'm Samantha. Thank you so much for watching. I'm here to help you bake.
First, we're going to begin by peeling our apples. I like to use Granny Smith apples as they have a tart bite to them. Also, I know what you're thinking, why is she using bruised apples? But honestly, you can just cut those spots off. There's nothing wrong with the apple. Now that we're all peeled, we are ready to chop them up. You're going to want a nice bite size so that you can get that flavor as you're biting into your fritter. Now we're going to begin making the dough, which is just all-purpose flour, baking powder, sugar, and cinnamon. You're going to whisk this up just to combine it. In a new bowl, we're going to have the wet ingredients, which will be the eggs, butter, and milk. Now all the ingredients will be listed below in measurements, but I do have the scale right there in front of you just so you can keep an eye out on what each ingredient measures out to. Now whisk this up. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry and whisk until thoroughly combined. toss in your chopped apples and folds together. So you're gonna have your canola oil heating up on the stovetop, and what I do to check the temperature is I just put a drop of water, and once it starts to bubble, you know it's ready to go. Just make sure each side is golden brown. While your fritters are cooling down, you're going to make a cinnamon sugar coating to toss into. To make this even better, you can throw a caramel sauce on top of it, and I have a delicious recipe down in the link below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Say hi in the comments below to any new and old subscribers. See you next time.